Alrighty, here we are in Pembina Gorge recreational or state recreational area, or yeah, something like that. This is definitely the most like out of the way trails that I've been to in this whole thing. I'm kind of getting like a surreal feeling that it's all like done after this, even though it's not a big deal, but I spent a lot of time and money doing these hikes, so I think it was all worth it. But this is definitely gonna be the longest one. It's like out and back, so there's no loop. So everything is getting walked. Yeah, it's definitely calm though. It's very peaceful, but there's like a lot of flies or whatever. And I keep forgetting my bug spray. It's so annoying. But hey, it is what it is. But yeah, so it's gonna be a long hike. I'm thinking maybe like, I don't even know, maybe 15 miles. That sounds like a lot, but we'll see. Anyways, we'll start the video again soon. So that's where we started. We're only like a mile in, so we gotta go this way. And then back on the main thing. But yeah, these bugs are pissing me off. So yeah, hopefully I just get used to it. I already know I'm gonna have mosquito bites like shit when I get home. I haven't seen any ticks though, so that's a plus. Yeah, we'll see how this trail is. Hopefully it's cool. I have a question. Why do all the bugs fly right by your ears? Like when you're just chilling. Like if they flew anywhere else, it'd be fine. But right by my ears, so I can hear their loud ass. But we're not even 2 miles in, and I'm sweating a lot. And yeah, this is gonna be very long. So, yeah, we'll see what happens. This is not fun right now. There's so much mosquitoes. It's insane. And there are ticks. A lot of them. I feel like I'm surrounded and just being attacked at every angle. Holy fuck, they're everywhere. Ooh. All right, we're back on the main part, I guess. That's like what we've done so far. Yeah, these bugs, they're killing me. So hopefully it's more of this dirt, because I feel like they're not bothering me as much, but still, at least the ticks aren't. Whew. But yeah, the view is definitely nice though. Just I'm finding it hard to enjoy it. But yeah, well, we'll see how far this one is. I don't know if this is the longest, because there's like a 3 mile long one, so I'm not sure if this is that trail, but I think maybe. Actually, I don't know, whatever. But I'll start the video up whenever. Oh, fuck. So it's like a mile down this road, and then it goes into more trails, so. Yeah. At least I'm not in the fucking forest. These bugs just don't stop. Anyways. Yep. I'll start up when we get to that trail. Here we are. The next trail. Definitely saved the best for last, because this is probably the hardest. I don't know, man. I think it's just because it's hot. But I'm sweating. There's a lot of hills. So, yeah. We're not even like halfway done yet. But I was definitely right about there not being as much mosquitoes and whatever on the dirt or the gravel. So hopefully this is kind of how it is for most of it. Whew. But yeah. Oh shit! Run! Run! But alright, I'll start the video up whenever. I don't know. Who cares? Ooh. I think we're like halfway in on just this trail. Yeah, it's gonna be a long day. Yeah, we'll see. I'm not stressing about it, but just hope I can at least leave at like 6 maybe. It's like 1. So fuck if I I fucking hope so. That would suck. Cause that's a lot of walking. But yeah, we gotta do it, so. Alright. We're here at the junction. The end of that fucking trail. Yeah. It was terrible and this sucks. So I'm trying to get this over with, so we're just gonna keep going. There's like a 5-6 mile loop right here, and then we have to walk back the way we came. So oh man, this is definitely the longest fucking trail I had to walk so far. So let's get it done, huh? All right. I had to lock in because the mosquitoes got bad. They're still bad right now. But fuck, shit. Can't do this. I wish I could just turn around and fucking go back. It's like 7 miles. Fuck. I don't even want to think about it. Just gotta keep walking. But yeah, that was 2 miles right there, so I got like 4 more hopefully. Not too bad. But yeah. Oh fuck. Yeah, I gotta go. The mosquitoes are back. So we're like halfway through, I forget what it's called, Whitetail Alley or whatever. We're almost at the end. And there's this little spot. I felt like I was gonna die. It's so hot. And I was so tired. So I had to take a break, but I feel better. Yeah. I think we have like a mile and a half, or maybe 2, I guess, back to that junction. And then all the way back. So I'm kind of happy. This is by far the worst fucking. It's like top 5 worst things that I've ever done in my life. Sucks. And it's mostly the bugs. And by bugs, I mean mosquitoes. Because there's like gotta be like a million of them. And they just never stop. Which is like, makes sense. But that's like what they do, you know? But yeah. So I'm probably not gonna take more videos until like, I don't even know. Maybe when I get back to the junction, I might. Because I want to save my battery and stuff. There's not much else to show right now, so. But this is the spot we're at. Oh, fuck. But yeah. I'm about to get back on the trail. And this is like what we've done so far. So. Woo! Yeah. Let's go. So, fuck. I'm dead right now. So we're gonna change the plan. I'm not gonna walk on the trail. I'm gonna walk on the road that like connects to it. And it's still like 5 miles, but at least I'm not doing that up and down shit. Cause I don't think I can do it. Like I mean I probably could, but I'm kinda over it. And I already hiked everywhere I needed to hike, so it's not even like a big deal. It's not like I'm missing anything. So yeah. I'm just gonna walk on the road that way. And then go all the way around, but I think it's worth it. Cause I am done. I'm so done. I'm never coming here again. Oh, my legs hurt so much. And my back hurts too. And I just, like since the last video, it was like a fuck ton of uphill. And I just came all the way up here because I thought I was going the right way. But hey, kind of in a way, it's a blessing. So I don't have to walk. Oh, I'm so tired. Anyways, I'll probably start the video up when we get back to the car, but yeah, don't judge me. That tree line. Yeah, still got 4 miles, but it is what it is. Ready to go far away from here. Back to where we started on the road. But I'm glad I took this way because fuck that. I'm fucked up right now. I need to go. This is the last big hill. Well, not this, but top is like over there. Yeah. I don't really want to talk actually, so I'll just see you in the video or when I get back to the car. That is heaven to me right now. Oh my gosh. Alright, so we're done. And thank the Lord. Thank the Lord. So I feel fucking ticks all over me. So yeah, 12 hikes. We started in February. It's June. Right? Yeah. February, March, April, May, June. 5 months. Killed that shit. They keep coming. I literally had to use the bathroom, and I pulled like maybe like 7 off my legs, and they're still there. I don't know where the fuck they're coming from, but that doesn't matter. But yeah, I'm really excited that I finished. It's crazy, especially that last one. Oh my gosh, I literally felt like I was pushed to my limit, like past my limit, and I've never felt like that, like to that extent. Cause it was like that 5 mile, the long one, like halfway through that, I was already like, nah. Like I have to keep going. But I mean, I had no service. Like everything, like you on the map, what you see on the map, maybe, I don't know, but the parking lot is on one side and the whole everything is on the other side. Like it doesn't come back in or like anything. I don't know. It was a crazy one. I'm proud of myself though, because that was not easy. Even though it, like, I don't know, I was just walking, but, because, like, I guess in movies, like, when you see someone walking for a long time, oh no, and then they stop all of a sudden, you're just like, bro, just get up. Like, because that's what I was thinking. Like, I was remembering, like, me watching movies and thinking that, and I was like, bro, that's bullshit, because no, I had to, like, sit down maybe, like, 7-8 times. Like after I got on the main road, and then before that, yeah, I sat down a couple times too. Yeah, that was tough. But I'm excited to go home. I gotta head home. I have work tomorrow, so that was a long. Oh yeah, we did 7 something hours, and 19 miles. 19 fucking miles. That's so much miles. That was painful as fuck. But it's done now, so can't complain. Anyways, if anyone did watch this whole thing, which I highly doubt, but if you did, I appreciate you. I appreciate you for real. You a real one. But yeah, the long journey is finally at an end. It's like bittersweet. Like I don't know what I'm gonna do anymore. It's fine. I'm adaptable. But yeah, I gotta go, so see you later, maybe. Oh yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna make more videos. Probably not. Probably not, cause I don't really feel like like if cause I kind of enjoyed it at the beginning, but now it's like like, what's the point? Like, it's not that fun. Like, it was fun. It's nice to have. Like, I guess that was the whole point I started. It was nice to have the videos so I could, like, remember it one day or whatever, right? But, I mean, unless I do something else that's, like, super cool or this wasn't even cool at all. If it's something cool to me, I guess. Or, like, something that it takes a long time or I don't know, something like that. Could be anything. Maybe like hiking in another state when I move, hopefully. But I mean, that's if they have the challenge thing. So who knows? But yeah, I don't know. Unless something like that happens, then I'm not making more videos. Fuck these fucking. They're just keep. I think they're like in my pant, like on the pant, and not on the leg part. You know what I mean? Pretty sure that's what's going on because they just like that was 3 in the span of 2 minutes. Anyway, yeah, thanks for watching the videos. Keep it real.